Hey, welcome to Get Ready for Calculus. This is Skill 17, the last of the 17 skills to get ready for calculus. If you're doing these skills in order, then congratulations for making it this far. This is all about area of 2D shapes. And instead of just giving you a bunch of circles and rectangles, I wanted to put it in context of graphs and in context of how you're going to use this later in calculus once you get about halfway or a little bit farther than halfway through your calculus year. So here we go. We've already done the remember how. Here is the rest of the skill. We want to find the area between x equals 0, x equals 5, the x-axis, and these lines. So x equals 0 creates a bound here. X equals 5 creates a bound here. The x equals axis or x-axis creates a bound there. So we want this area of all of this inside here. And so what we're going to do is break it up into familiar shapes. I see a triangle here. So we'll call that shape 1, and here's a rectangle shape 2. So the area of shape 1 would be 1/2 base times height, or 1/2 3 times 3, which is 9/2 or 4.5. And the area of rectangle 2 here is length times width, or base times height if you want, 5 times 3, and that's 15. So we have 4.5 plus 15 equals 19.5 square units, units squared. Units are important in calculus. At this point, we don't have units in these problems. For this problem, I'll write units squared, and then I probably won't write it anymore on the rest. Okay, find the area between x equals 0, there's the left bound, x equals 5, the right bound, the x-axis, and the lines. So I see three areas I need to think about. We have a skinny rectangle, area 1, we have a triangle, and then we have a triangle. So the area of 1 will just be 4 times 1, or 4. The area of the triangle is 1/2 a width of 2 and a height of 4, which is 4 again. And the area of triangle 3, 1/2 a width of 2, a height of 6, which is an area of 6. So we have 4 plus 4 plus 6, or 14 square units. Okay, we're going to keep it between 0 and 5, and we are also going to keep it on the x-axis. So here's 5, x-axis at the bottom, and the lines. Okay, so the instructions at the top of the sheet says that assume the curves are parts of circles. So this is 1/4 of a circle. So we're going to cut it off here, and then we have a triangle. So circle, triangle, rectangle. Well, the area of a circle is pi r squared, but it's 1/4 of a circle, so we want to cut it into 4 parts, 1/4 of it. And my radius then is 2, right? My center to the edge of the circle. So pi 2 squared over 4, 2 squared is 4. 4 over 4 gives us pi. The area part 2 is a triangle, 1/2 3 times 3, that's 4.5. And area 3 is a rectangle, that's 3 times 2, 6. All right, so what do we have? We have our area is going to be pi plus 4.5, whoops, I don't know why I did that, plus 6. So we'll just say 10.5 plus pi. Of course, we might need to take that pi and change it to a decimal or do something else with it. All right, hey, we're almost there. This is it. This is the last question on the last skill of Get Ready for Calculus. Find the area between 0, x equals 0, x equals 5, the x-axis, and the lines. And oh my goodness, we have a really, really tiny triangle in there. We have a part of a circle here, and then a couple of rectangles. So 1, 2, 3, and then we'll call that little tiny triangle 4. Well, the circle is again 1/4 of a circle, so the area part 1 will be pi 3 is the radius divided by 4, so that'll be 9/4 pi. Area part 2 is simply 3 times 2, or 6. The area part 3 is simply 2 times 1, or 2. And the area part 4. Okay, a little weird here. 1/2 base times height. Looks like my base is only half wide, and my height is 1 tall. So that looks like that's going to be 1/4. Okay, so that's really, really tiny. So the area of everything will be 9/4 pi plus 6 plus 2, whoops, plus 6 plus 2 plus 1/4. That's 8 1/4 plus 9/4. Yeah, that's pretty sloppy. Plus 9/4 pi. All right, well, that's it. Let's finish everything with an AI-generated math joke. And wow, if you've done everything in order, this is it. So hopefully AI can finish us with a strong math joke. Tell me a math joke. Okay, let's try that again. Tell me a math joke about, oh, let's just do area. Oh my gosh. And dogs, why not? And gloves. I have no idea what I'm saying. Let's just see what happens. We're really shooting for the fence here. Why did the mathematician's dog wear gloves while calculating area? Because it wanted to avoid positive integrals. Okay, well now, that seems weird. Actually, positive integrals and area are totally a calculus thing, believe it or not. Something you get into actually at this point in calculus that we're preparing this skill for. So, weird joke. You might not get it. You should revisit this joke, I don't know, about January or February into your calculus year, and maybe it'll make more sense. We're going to go with it, though, and that's it. This is Get Ready for Calculus. Go to Pythagorean.com. Hey, maybe you want to share this with people you know who are taking calculus. Go to Pythagorean.com. You can download the PDF of the entire skill packet. Of course, all the links for all the videos are there. The answer key is there as well. Good luck. Thank you for riding this ride with me. And I hope that you feel prepared for calculus. And whenever you get to calculus in the next school year or whenever you're taking it, I hope that you can just focus on the new parts of calculus. That you'll have all this algebra stuff down, all these other skills are down, and that they don't get in the way of learning what can be challenging but yet rewarding in calculus. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.